That's right. You guys said it a minute ago, but 2 people unfortunately died here in Orange County over the weekend of COVID. And there is concern inside our hospitals that we are seeing levels of COVID that we haven't seen in this county since this past winter. And keep in mind, this affects everyone who needs medical care, not just those with COVID.
They told us that there was a lot of COVID patients and that every bed in the whole hospital was full.
Anaheim mother Destiny Haskins has seen firsthand how surging COVID cases are impacting Southern California hospitals. She suffers from a rare blood disorder and tells me when she began to bleed internally, getting into her hospital of choice was not an option.
We can't, it's a fear to come in with, I need a blood transfusion, and leave thinking, oh, I could have caught COVID or something else in the waiting room.
In Orange County, there were 2,181 positive COVID cases over the weekend. 453 people are currently hospitalized with COVID, which is down 1 patient from Friday. But ICU cases climbed over the weekend from 71 patients to 84. Doctors say there's been a steady jump in COVID numbers over the last few weeks. Hospital visits are a key indicator for officials. There are concerns from the Orange County doctor monitoring the time it takes to get patients from an ambulance to the emergency room, and the delays he says are tied to COVID. Almost all of the ambulance offload times at the beginning of last week were a lengthy 44 minutes. Dr. Carl Schultz says 16 hospitals exceeded the 30-minute standard, 5 exceeded 60 minutes, and 12 hospitals requested that ambulances be diverted from saturated facilities.
That's concerning, and if that were to continue, that would not be sustainable. Fortunately, it has not. The diversion hours have come down somewhat. Certainly the ambulance patient offload times have come down substantially. So we're still in an area where I'm worried, but we're not in a crisis right now.
Now, when hospitals divert patients, what that means is the ambulances are having to travel farther away to other hospitals that aren't as saturated. So patients are traveling to other cities and in some cases to other counties. That's the latest live in Newport Beach. I'm Michelle Geely. Back to you.
Wow. All right, Michelle, thanks. The Delta surge is so widespread.